Morning, guys. Mrs. Bryde here with Guinness, ready to read another book today. This is our book, Go Dog Go. This is a book that was loaned to me from Ryan from our class. So this is the book that she picked out, Go Dog Go. It is written by P.D. Eastman. Oh, there goes Guinness. He's going to miss the book. So here we go. Here he is. Here's the first picture. Dog. Big dog. Little dog. Guinness is a big dog. Here he is. You can see his tail. He's right there. Big dog and little dogs. Black and white dogs. What color is Guinness, guys? Hello. Hello. Do you like my hat? I do not. Goodbye. Goodbye. Now, Ryan told me that she can read this whole book almost all by herself. One little dog going in, 3 big dogs going out. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. A red dog on a blue tree, a blue dog on a red tree, a green dog on a yellow tree. Which tree do you want to be on? Some big dogs and some little dogs going around in cars. A dog out of a car. Two big dogs going up. One little dog going down. Let's count those dogs. 1 dog there. 1, 2. The green dog is up. The yellow dog is down. The blue dog is in. The red dog is out. One dog up on a house. 3 dogs down in the water. Up, in. A green dog over a tree. A yellow dog under a tree. Over, under. 2 dogs in a house on a boat in the water. A dog over the water. A dog under the water. Lots of places there. Hello again. Hello. Do you like my hat? I do not like your hat. Goodbye again. Goodbye. Those silly dogs. Guinness is my silly dog. The dogs are all going around and around and around. Go around again. The sun is up. The sun is yellow. The yellow sun is over the house. It is hot out here in the sun. It is not hot here under the house. Now it is night. 3 dogs at a party on a boat at night. Wish I was there. Dogs at work. Work, dogs work. Dogs at play. Play, dogs play. Hello again. Hello. Do you like my hat? I do not like that hat. Goodbye again. Goodbye. Dogs in cars again, going away fast. Look at those dogs go. Go, dogs, go. To the green light. Green means go. Stop, dog, stop. The light is red now. See? Red means stop. Go, dogs, go. The light is green now. Green means go. Two dogs at play. At play up on top. Go down, dogs. Do not play up there. Go down. Now it is night. Night is not a time to play. It is time for sleep. The dogs go to sleep. They will sleep at night. Look at all those dogs. Now it is day. The sun is up. Now it is time for all the dogs to get up. Get up. It is day. Time to get going. Go, dogs, go. Look at those crazy dogs. There they go. Look at those dogs go. Why are they going fast in those cars? What are they going to do? Where are those dogs going? Are they going to work? Maybe. Look where they are going. They are all going to that big tree over there. Here's the tree. Now the cars stop. Now all the dogs get out. And now look where those dogs are going. To the tree, to the tree. Look at that ladder. Up the tree, up the tree. Up they go to the top of the tree. Why? Will they work there? Will they play there? What is up there, up on top of that tree? A dog party. A big dog party. Big dogs, little dogs, red dogs, blue dogs, yellow dogs, green dogs, black dogs, white dogs are all at a dog party. What is a dog party? Hello again. And now, do you like my hat? I do. What a hat. I like it. I like that party hat. Finally. Goodbye. Goodbye. The End. Oh, Ryan, what a great book. I bet some of you guys probably have this book. So get it out and enjoy it. Tell me if you like it. Thumbs up, you like it, not so good, or you didn't like it. So let me know. I can't wait to see you guys. Have a great day. Bye.